If you have a puncture, here's how to get back on the road. First, park the car safely and switch off the engine. Your puncture repair kit is in the storage box, under the boot floor. Turn the selector on the top left of the unit to the position marked Sealant. Next, ensure that the switch in the center of the unit is at the position marked 0. Then connect the white pipe to the valve of the punctured tyre. Pull out the unit's electric plug and plug it into the 12-volt socket inside your car. It's a good idea at this point to stick the speed limitation reminder to your steering wheel. Now start your engine and leave it running. Turn on the air compressor by moving the switch to the position marked 1. Leave the unit running until the pressure gauge reaches 2 bars. If the tyre has failed to reach this pressure after 5 to 7 minutes, then the tyre is not repairable and will need to be replaced before the car can be driven again. Contact Peugeot Breakdown Assistance for help. Assuming the correct tyre pressure has been reached, turn off the unit by returning the switch to the 0 position. Remove the plug from your car's 12-volt socket. Disconnect the pipe from the tyre's valve, taking care not to spill any of the fluid on your car's bodywork or your clothes, and remember to replace the valve cap. Drive your car for about 3 miles at speeds no more than 35 miles per hour to allow the puncture to be plugged. After about 3 miles, you'll need to stop and recheck the tyre's pressure. Turn the selector on the top left of the unit to the position marked Air. Plug the unit into the 12-volt socket once more. And this time, connect the black pipe to the tyre's valve. Turn on the air compressor by moving the switch to the position marked 1. Inflate the tyre to the correct pressure. After stowing the kit, you should continue to limit your speed to below 50 miles per hour and your driving distance to under 200 miles. As soon as possible, you should have the tyre checked by a Peugeot dealer to have the tyre either permanently repaired or replaced. The sealant cartridge used in the unit is designed to be used only once. Your Peugeot dealer will be happy to supply you with a new one.